My best part of the video is that I'm going to share with you that we can decorate with the stuff that we can create at home, with simple stuff that we can have our place beautiful. Hello everyone, it's Fanny. Welcome back to Creation by Fab. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by, and of course, welcome. Today's video will be a little bit different, but I'm so excited about it because I want to share with you how I decorate my little coffee bar, my little coffee station, however you guys call it. But the important part for me is that everything I'm going to be using in this video is stuff that I make with dollar store items, and also stuff that I purchase in thrift stores like Goodwill and another one. So what I'm trying to say is sometimes we can decorate beautiful our place with inexpensive stuff, and that's just my big thing. So I want to share with you what I did, and without talking so much, so let's go ahead and jump into the video. Hello again, it's Fanny. Today I'm going to be sharing with you how I decorate my little coffee station, my little coffee bar. So first I did was just clean my little shelf and also my little table. So I started with the little harvest frame, and that we made it before in the previous DIY. I also will be placing two little fabric pumpkins that we also made in the previous DIY. The little candle holder from dollar store, I just give it some paint and some twine around. So I placed the one on top and then the other one next. And then I will be placing this other little pumpkin from dollar store. I also painted a little bit because it was orange. And then I got this little cute orange pumpkin from dollar store also. I think that little pumpkin is so cute, so I was needing some little bit of touch of orange in there, and I think that was perfect. So then for my little table, I will be placing this picture frame without glass from dollar store, and then I will be placing there my little canister set. Well, only the coffee and the sugar. From the coffee creamer, I got this little container from Goodwill and also this little basket. Next, I placed this little beautiful picture that I purchased from Goodwill, and also I will be decorating with some branches and some cotton flowers that I got from dollar store. And also I will be placing this milk bottle, beautiful, that I really love that I found it on Goodwill too. And then I will be placing this little can and also this coffee grinder, I think you call and on the little basket. And then for the wall, I will be hanging those little cute coffee sign from dollar store. I really love those coffee signs. Then what I did was place the coffee filters, because my coffee maker is not fancy, on my little baskets. Also DIY that we did a while ago, one of my first DIYs in this channel. So that's it. I really love the way it turned out, and I'm so happy with the result. I really hope you guys enjoy. Hi again, I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching, and if you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe and be part of this family. So see you guys next time. Ciao ciao.